sklearn cluster DBSCAN. Description: explain in detail DBSCAN. Density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise is a density-based clustering algorithm that identifies clusters based on the density of data points. It groups together data points that are closely packed together and considers points with low density as noise or outliers. Inputs. Input 1. Explain in detail X a 2D array of data points, where each row represents a data point and each column represents a feature. Input 2. Explain in detail apes the maximum distance between 2 points for them to be considered neighbors, also known as the neighborhood radius. This is a crucial parameter for DBSCAN. Determining the density threshold. Labels an array of cluster labels for each data point. Points belonging to the same cluster will have the same label. Points marked as noise will have a label of -1. Core sample indices. An array of indices of core samples. Core samples are those that have at least min samples neighbors within the ape's radius. DBSCAN begins by identifying core points, which are data points that have at least min samples neighbors within a distance of apes. The algorithm then expands clusters by recursively connecting core points to their neighbors. If a core point has neighbors within apes that are not yet assigned to a cluster, they are added to the same cluster. Silhouette score. This metric measures the similarity of a data point to its own cluster compared to other clusters. A score closer to 1 indicates a good clustering, while a score closer to -1 indicates a poor clustering. Davies-Bouldin score. This metric measures the ratio of within cluster distances to between cluster distances. A lower score indicates better separation between clusters. Scatter plot with different colors representing different clusters. This plot is useful to visualize the clustering results and identify outliers. Density plot. This plot shows the density of data points in different regions of the feature space. This plot is helpful for understanding the distribution of data points and identifying regions with high density. Apes. The radius of the neighborhood used to determine core points. A larger value of apes leads to larger clusters and may merge nearby clusters. Min samples. The minimum number of points required to form a core point. A higher value of min samples requires denser areas to form a cluster. DBSCAN is a deterministic algorithm, so uncertainty methods like bootstrapping or bagging are not directly applicable. However, one can perform sensitivity analysis by varying the apes and min samples parameters to evaluate the robustness of the clustering results. Evaluating the stability of the clustering by running DBSCAN on different subsets of the data or perturbed data can provide insights into the uncertainty of the results. Choosing the optimal apes and min samples. These parameters are crucial for DBSCAN's performance, and selecting the wrong values can lead to inaccurate clustering or missing clusters. If the ape's value is too small, the algorithm may fail to connect nearby core points and result in fragmented clusters. Conversely, if the ape's value is too large, it may merge clusters that should be separate. Use the knee method or elbow method on the k-distance plot to identify the optimal ape's value. This involves plotting the average distance to the kth nearest neighbor for increasing values of k, and looking for a knee or elbow in the plot. For min samples, experiment with different values based on the size and density of the dataset. Handling high-dimensional data. DBSCAN can be sensitive to the curse of dimensionality, where the distance between points becomes less meaningful in high-dimensional space. In very high-dimensional datasets, DBSCAN might fail to find clusters or identify all points as noise. due to the difficulty in defining meaningful neighborhoods. Consider dimensionality reduction techniques like PCA or T-SNE to reduce the dimensionality of pay data before applying DBSCAN. Alternatively, use alternative clustering algorithms that are more suitable for high-dimensional data, such as K-means or Gaussian mixture models.